Once the nation's heavy industry heartland, Northeast China has in recent years seen a growing winter sports boom and seized opportunities arising from its abundant snowfall. This winter, Harbin, capital city of Heilongjiang Province, has emerged as the leading winter destination in the country. Though temperatures plummeted below minus 20 degrees Celsius, thousands of tourists from across the country enjoyed majestic ice sculptures at the Harbin Ice Snow World, a famed theme park.
这在那个来的路上，在抖音上看说能在哈尔滨能当公主，要体验一番公主的感觉，我就来美丽动人了。
哈尔滨人很热情，东北这种这个豪放跟这个热情的感觉。
During the three-day New Year holiday, the ice city of Harbin received more than 3 million visitors, raking in 5.91 billion yuan of tourism revenue. The popularity of Harbin echoes the opinions expressed at the local two sessions of the three northeast provinces of China in January. The northeast China consists of the provinces of Heilongjiang, Jilin, and Liaoning. Local two sessions, the annual meetings of provincial-level lawmakers and political advisors, discuss local economic and social development during the previous year and also make plans for the year ahead. According to lawmakers and political advisors at the two sessions of the three provinces, the region witnessed improved economic development, accelerated industrial transformation, and enhanced innovation capacity in 2023, which instilled confidence and laid the foundation for the full revitalization of Northeast China in the new era.